Is this the missing link in your factory automation setup? We're taking a look at the CungSu HMI320, a human-machine interface device that promises to streamline your operations. This particular unit is brand new, still sealed in its factory box, which is always a good sign. The HMI320, judging by the provided information, is designed to provide a user-friendly interface for controlling and monitoring industrial processes. It's made by CungSu and sold by Reeling, a company focused on factory automation. They seem pretty passionate about what they do, which is reassuring. They also encourage you to reach out with any questions, which is a nice touch. While we can't dive into the specifics of its performance without actually cracking open the box and putting it through its paces, the fact that it's new with a factory seal suggests a certain level of quality control. The listing also mentions that Reeling is happy to accommodate large quantity orders, implying they're confident in the product's reliability and scalability. HMIs are crucial for modern factories, allowing operators to interact with complex machinery and systems in a clear and intuitive way. A well-designed HMI can significantly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance overall productivity. The HMI320, if it lives up to its potential, could be a valuable asset for any manufacturing facility. Without hands-on testing, it's impossible to give a definitive verdict. However, the HMI320, backed by Reeling's customer service promise and factory-sealed condition, presents a promising option for those seeking to upgrade their factory automation capabilities. It's definitely worth further investigation if you're in the market for a new HMI.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.